Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Monday, August 31st, and I'm here to remind you that this is the last full week to get a free pattern for our Quilters Trek design for this year. So Quilters Trek is the new name of the row by row experience, in case you were not aware by now. And this is our project for this summer. We're calling it the Octopus one. And the theme of this year's Quilters Trek is True Blue. So we made sure to put a nice blue background on him. And the fun thing about this year is that all the blocks, all the designs from all the different shops are made in 4 blocks that can be put different ways. So this is if you wanted to do create the octopus in a long row, which is actually the same size as the previous row by row sizes. And then obviously if you want to make them in a square, this is the same fabric that is in our kits. And then if you wanted to just grab a free pattern, you could make your octopus in any color combinations that you like. And in this case, this background fabric is actually one fabric that's an ombre that I used the light end and the dark end as my light and darks in the pattern. So, like I said, this week is the last full week to pick up a free pattern. Our pattern has full-size templates, so you don't have to do any sizing or taking it to any copy stores or anything. Everything that you're going to need is right there in the pattern. There are actually a couple of coupons at the end of the pattern, so you're going to want to pick up one of those. They are free in the shop through September 8th, which is next Tuesday, and the kits are also available. The kits will be available for sure until September 8th, and then they will be available while supplies last. So if you're interested in a free pattern or a kit, be sure to come in before September 8th. And then after the 8th, the patterns will be available for sale. So that's what we have for you today. I just want to make sure that you didn't miss out on picking up a free pattern or a kit for the octopus one before summer slips away. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.